Yeah! Now that we got the Big Wave Beach key, we don't have to be in that horrible place. Yeah, it was pretty bad because, I remember last episode, Chomper gonna karma. For what? Everything, I guess. Okay, get it? Karma, yeah, cool. We're in a new spot and we got 2 new recruits. Did you just say 2? That's not new. Bruh. Well, anyways, we still need to defend this place and from the zombies. That's, hopefully they come soon. Yeah, I think they're coming soon. I'm just gonna bring out one of the new recruits. Ow! Get off me! Sorry, that's my brother. I'm Peanut, and, I hate everyone. No, he doesn't! Yeah. So, this top one's P and the other one's Nut, and we shoot. But I hate shooting. Well, I kind of like shooting because it takes out the zombies. Will you get out of here? Okay. Well, I brung one too. Come here, Spooky, ookie. Hi, everyone. I'm Spooky Squash. And I can roll like a ball, and I'm a walnut, and you can throw me at people. Excuse me, what? Yeah, I'm a movable plant, so I'm just gonna stay here and wait for you guys to use me. Okay. Okay, everybody, here's our pen. They beat us in Big Red Beach, but now we're in Dark Ages. Is anyone even listening? I am, dude. I'm kinda, so that helps any bit. I'm just trying. Oh, boys, we need to attack right now. But me, Arnold. And Arnold is cool. And Arnold, big buff boy. Okay, we get it. I brought some recruits. Well, aren't really recruits. We know them. Except for one, I think. But other than that, they're stronger in this world since it's Dark Ages. Let me get them. Get over here, you little... I'm coming. Jester again. Yay. I'm stronger in this world. We get it. Okay. Next we have, well, we're bringing out the last 2, I guess. Yeah. I want my toucan. Move out of the way. I'm the leader from last time. You're not the leader anymore. More of a reason I should kill you. Please don't kill me like you killed Newspaper. You did what? Okay, let's just start. The zombies are coming. I'll go first, dudes. Dudes, boing. Why did I do this? No, dude. I don't want to get eaten. I'll go so I don't die. Oh no, there's a potato mine in front of me. Ow. Oh. I'm just gonna move you out of the way. That's not allowed. Oh, that's weird. You know what? Me being a good Bob the Pirate, I'll go in. I'm going this lane. Dude, save me! I'm trying my best, but this is so hard to eat. Oh. I can't believe I'm not this fast. Okay. Send in someone. Night, you go. Yeah! Ow! I'm almost dead! No, we're not. No! Why is everyone coming in my lane? Dude, save me! Oh, no. No! I'm being eaten by this stupid chomper! Ah! You know what? I'll go in this lane! Didn't see that one coming. My turn. No, not you. Me! Ow! Owie. Fine, I'll go. Oh, I'm still rolling! brains. Jester, go. How is he attacking me? I'm stronger in this world, remember? Ow, ow, ow. Oh, no. No. Yay. Nice. Sun for the win. Arnold turn. Oh no! I'm stuck. Come on, someone get him back! Please! Now, this lane is gonna get ran over by a Arnold. No. Oh, stop it, that hurts. Spooky squash. Brains. I'm going to again. Oh my gosh. No. Howie. Oh. Hey. Brains? Yeah, brains. Brains. No. Brains. Oh. Ah, he ate me too. That doesn't even make any sense. Oh yeah, I'm dead. I guess I'm the last one. Walk over all the people and looks like I'm going for that lane. Ow. Going in the middle lane, okay. Did you just destroy my newspaper? No. You just destroyed my newspaper! I made it. I don't even care. I just want to get my newspaper back from that old man.